Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do quadratic equation in one variable, word problem part 2. If you haven't gone through with my part 1, the link is given in the description. So without further delay, let's start today's class. So here we have another very important question. You can see it's 2014. So what is given in this question is that we have a two-digit positive number. We have a two-digit number in such that the product of its digit is 6. So product means you know that it's multiplication. If 9 is added to the number, if you'll add 9 to that number, the digit interchange their place. So find the number. So obviously we don't know the number. So what we'll take? Let the number be solution. So let the what we have two-digit positive number, two-digit, and what they are given is the positive also. Two-digit positive number b x y. Always take this way only. Okay, this, so I'll take this as unit. So this is your unit and this will be your tens. Okay, so two-digit number, unit, tens. So what can I write? This two-digit number, unit tens means xy. What can I write? Already I have discussed in my another sum. Okay, I'll show you here. You can see what is unit tens. Suppose I have 23. So this is my unit, this is my tens. So what can I write? 2 into 10. This unit means 1. So 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So 20 plus 3 is your 23. Okay, similarly what can I write this? 10 into, that means 10 into x. 10x plus y into y, 1y. Okay, so I got this 10x plus y. Now what happened is that, what they are given is that, you can see here the digit interchange their place. Okay, so let's start number first. So according to the question, what they are given in first, two-digit number I got, such that the product of their digit, product means multiply. So what they are doing, x into y is going on. Okay, so it will be x, y equals to how much they are given? 6. Okay, now we'll form the quadratic equation in x. So we'll find the value, implies that what I'll get y value, y is equal to 6 upon x. Okay, so the x will go down. So again what they are given, see 9 is added to the number. So 9 added to the number means this is my number. So what will be this? 10x plus y. What has been added? 9 has been added, equals to the digit interchange. That means x will be y, y will be x. So what will be this? 10y plus x. Okay, now what I'll put? Instead of y, I'll put now 6 upon. Let's bring this front. So what will be this? 10x plus y plus 9. This x plus x, when it comes this side, minus x. Then this will be your 10y equals to 0. As you know, in quadratic equation, on the right hand side has to be 0. Okay, so now 10x minus x will be 9x. Now minus plus is minus, so this will be minus 9y plus 9 equals to 0. So you can see everywhere there is 9, 9, 9. Yeah, so I can take common 9. So if I'll take common 9, what will be this? X minus y plus 1 equals to 0. So now it will be x minus y. What is the value of y? 6 upon x plus 1. Nothing down means I can write 1. This side also 1 I can write, equals to 0 upon 9 is your 0 only. Okay, so or now what can I do? Now I have to do the LCM. 1x and 1 LCM will be x only. So now do the LCM. So what will be this? X into x, x square, minus what will be this? 6 plus 1 divided by x is your x. X 1 the x equals to 0. Now I'll write in standard form of quadratic equation. X square, what will be this? X, then minus 6 equals to x into 0 is your x into 0 is your 0 only. So finally I got the standard form for quadratic equation. X square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So this let us take as equation 1. Now what you have to try? Breaking the middle term. Okay, in exam maximum time you get breaking the middle term only. Okay, it will go. So what you have to do, as you know the process, as you know the step, what you can do, this 6 you have to multiply to the front. Front is what you have 1. So now you have to do the LCM of 6. So 6 LCM will be 2 3s are 3 1s are. So can I get like this? So what you have 6. So 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 is your 1. Why minus? Because here is minus. Okay. So now I'll do in this side. Okay, breaking the middle term. So what can I do? Always you know that you will write like this, x square plus, so we are breaking the middle, means here is 1, so I am breaking that like this. So if there is minus in middle also, there will be minus. Minus 6 equals to 0. So what can I write? Just now only I got how much? 3 minus 2. So what can I do now? X square plus 3 into x, 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now I have to take common in these two. What will be the common in these two? X will be common, so it will be x plus 3. What will be common here? Minus 2, so it will be x plus 3. As you know that this minus plus is your minus. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 equals to 0. So already I have told you that this and this has to come same, so we got same. Yeah, now this and this will write, or what I'll get, x plus 3, this 2 I am taking common, and this will be in another bracket. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Now I have to do either or. Either, so what is the x plus 3 is equal to 0, that means x equals to minus 3. So which is impossible. Why? Because it's a positive number, so I can take this. Or what do you have? X minus 2 is equal to 0, that means x equals to 2. Yes, that means this I can take. This I can take because it's a negative and this side is positive, because we have to find positive. So therefore y is equal to, what do you have? 6 upon x. So 6 upon x is how much? 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So therefore y I got 3. So therefore what will be the number? Therefore the number is what do you have? xy is your 23. So I got the final answer, and you will get how much marks? This carries 4 marks. Okay, in exam 1 question confirm you will get this type of word problem, okay, and which carries 4 marks. Now let's solve another question, and you know you can check the answer also. How to check? Yeah, already I have discussed whether your answer is right or not. Xy, so what do you have? Xy is there. So what is the value of x? X is how much? You got 2. Xy, so x is 2 and y is almost 3. 2 3s are 6. So can you see here 6? So your answer is right, and you will get full marks. So here we have another different type of question. In this it's here speed, distance and time one. Okay, so you can see it's 2016. So what they had given is that first you have to read the question properly. A bus covered a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Okay, so distance is 240, speed is here uniform. Due to heavy rain, the speed has been reduced by 10 km per hour. That means the speed has decreased. As such, it takes 2 hours longer. Obviously, the speed will decrease. That means it will take longer time. Yeah, so that means 2 hours has been increased to cover the total distance. Assuming that the uniform speed to be x km per hour, form an equation and solve it for x. So let's solve. Solution will write solution. So what they are given? Already they had given. Take it as x kilometer. So let the uniform speed of bus be x kilometer per hour. So I got x kilometer per hour, and what they are given, you can see here first according to question what they are given is that distance. So distance is how much? Distance is 240 kilometer, and speed is there. Speed is how much? Speed is my x, and everyone you know that formula for time. Time formula is, what is the time formula? It's your distance upon d upon s, distance upon speed. So what I'll get? 240 upon x. So this I'll take it as 1. Okay, so again what they are given, you can see here distance is same, 240 kilometer only, but what happened? The reduced by speed has been reduced. So reduced means it will be minus x minus 10. Okay, so x minus 10 kilometer per hour. This is also kilometer per hour. So what can I get now? Time equals to what will be? Obviously distance over speed. So distance is how much? 240. And what is my speed? X minus 10. Okay, so this will be my 2. Now I'll show you a trick how to do this. Okay, don't think of what they are given is that you can see here 2 hours longer they are given. Okay, now what you have, now I'll take both the time equal. Now what you have, 240 to form the equation. Okay, 240 equals to 240 upon x minus 10. Now you can see we have 2 hours. Now what you will think is that which one is smaller, this or this? Which value is small? There you will add that 2. Okay, so what you can do here? Which one is small? 240 by x and 240 by x minus 10. So I'll show you a trick which one is small to find this. If you use this trick, you'll be never wrong in your examination. Now see, I have suppose 240 is there, and suppose I have 20. Okay, so 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 12s are. I got how much? 12. Now 240, what you have? 20 minus 10, that means it's 10. 0 cancel. So how much I got? 24. So which one is bigger? See, lower is smaller, denominator will be small, the value will come more. See here, denominator is more, the value come less. That means which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? This one is bigger and this one is smaller. That means to make it equal, plus 2 will be here, plus 2 will be here. Okay, got it? So lower, more the value. So x is there and this side is x minus 10. So this is smaller value. That means if you cancel, this value will come bigger. Now what you have to do is that now we have to do the LCM. So now lower nothing is, we have 1. So what can I do now? Now this side LCM will be x. Now this x is get cancelled, so this will be 240 plus 1 divided by x is x. X into 2 is your 2x equals to what will be this? 240 upon x minus 10. Now what I have to do? I have to do cross multiply. So what can I do this? This will come this side and this will go this side. So it will be, or 240 plus 2x. So this will be here, this is going this side, so x minus 10 equals to 240, this x will go this side, so 240x. Okay, now we have to do this multiply. Now this 240 you will multiply to this, so I'll do a longer way only. Okay, so that you will not do mistake. 240 in 10, then plus 2x, what is that? X minus 10 equals to 240x. So what will be this? Now 240 into x, 240x, minus 240 into 10, 2400, plus 2x into x, 2x square, minus 2 tens are 20x. So this I'll bring this side, so minus 240x equals to 0. So we have to make it in standard form. So here you can see, what you can see here is that 240x and minus 240x get cancelled. Now we'll form in standard form. So this will be 2x square, then minus 20x minus 2400 equals to 0. Now what can I do? 2 common means it will be x square minus, this will be your 10x minus 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 0. You think that you are dividing only. Okay, now we have to do breaking the middle term, x square minus, so 10 will be as it is like this, x since it's minus, so it will be minus 1 2 0 0, and this 2 where it went, 0 by 2 is your 0 only. Okay, so now we have to do the breaking the middle term. So what we have, 1 2 0 0, so we have to do the LCM of 1200, and after subtracting I should get how much? 10. So let's do the rough work. So I am doing rough work here. Okay, so what do you have? 1 2 0 0, so what will be LCM? 2 6 are 12, 0 0, 2 300, 2 150, 2 75, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 5, 5s are 5, 1s are. So how much it will go? So you can see here what we got is that, so if I'll do like this, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 5 3s are 15, 15 to the 30. So 40 minus 30. So like this. How much we have? 1200. So 40 into 30, I'll get this 00. 4 3 is 12. Okay, and 40 minus 30 will come how much? 10. So 40 minus 30, I'll get 10. So what can I write this? This I can write 40 minus 30. So 40 minus 30 is 10. 40 into 30 is this. So it should match this way. Now I'll get x square minus 40x minus plus 30x minus 1200 equals to 0. Now next step we have to take the common. So what will be common? X minus 40 plus what will be common? 30 x minus 40 equals to 0. As you know, this 2 has to come same. Now these two are same, so that means x minus 40 I can write, and this and this and another bracket x plus 30 equals to 0. Now I have to do either x minus 40 equals to 0, so therefore x equals to 40, or what you have, x plus 30 is equal to 0, so x equals to minus 30. So speed cannot be negative, speed can't be negative. So what you got finally answer? We got the finally answer. Therefore the speed of bus equals to 40 km per hour. So this is my final answer. Hope so you got it. Okay, so what you have to know is that this part is very important. This part is very important. So we are taking both the equation equal. Okay, now since 2 hours it's taking longer, okay, wherever it's small, put it there. Okay, that will be the easiest way. So what happens is that you can see 240 by x, lower is bigger one. So already I have showed you here. You can do in a rough. 240 by 20. Okay, so 20 is bigger. 20 x I am taking this. Okay, so when I get cancelled, I got 12. So 20 minus 10 I'll get 10. So what I got? 24. Okay, so which one is bigger in this? 24 is bigger. That means this is bigger. This one is small. That means to make it equal, I have to put 2. Okay, so this is here one of the very important question. You can see it's 2016.